All of this scientific evidence points to the importance of cultivating social connection at work. Fortunately, mindfulness offers some practical tools for improving this aspect of work life. Consider a typical conversation. We know that people communicate on several levels, including spoken word, tone of voice, and body language. What percent of the meeting do you think is communicated on each of those levels? Believe it or not, spoken word only accounts for 7%. Tone of voice accounts for 38%, and body language actually carries the most meaning at 55%. And yet, we rely so much on texting and emailing, channels where body language and tone of voice are absent. Even in person, many of us believe that we're listening as long as we can hear the words, but we can do better. Here are 4 steps for mindful listening. Try it out the next time you're in a meeting with someone. 1. Unitask. Try to clear your agenda so that you have nothing else to do but really be with that person in that moment. 2. Focus. Set the intention to focus your attention on the person with whom you're speaking. Be vigilant about your mind wandering off to other topics. When that occurs, gently escort your attention back to the person. 3. Broaden your awareness. Open up to the full range of information coming your way, including tone of voice and body language. 4. Listen deeply. Adopt an open and receptive attitude in the conversation, resisting the urge to interrupt where possible. Let go of your own agenda for a few minutes and listen for understanding. See if this approach allows you to pick up on more of what's actually going on in the conversation, puts you in a position to respond more skillfully, and makes you feel more connected to a colleague or loved one. We are no less susceptible to distraction and being in our heads when we're speaking. Unmindful speech can cause all kinds of problems, including costly misunderstandings, inefficient use of meeting time, and alienating or frustrating other people. And here are some guidelines for mindful speech. 1. Clarify intentions. Before going into a meeting, reflect on your intentions for the interaction and speak deliberately in accordance with these intentions. The clearer your intentions, the easier it will be to get to the point. 2. Be succinct. Make the effort to be economical with your language, getting your point across directly without going on any unnecessary tangents. 3. Speak the truth. Communicate your own point of view in a calm, neutral, and non-threatening manner using I language. I feel, I would like, it's important for me, etc. 4. Be helpful. The intention to speak the truth should be constrained by an intention to make a useful or helpful contribution to the discussion. See if this approach helps you declutter your relationships and gets you less caught up in drama, makes you feel calmer and more focused in conversations, and makes you less likely to ruminate and worry about difficult conversations.